So we're at the Barclaycard Presents British Summertime Festival, and obviously they're collaborating with lots of businesses here, and you're a big part of making that connection happen, both from a B2B and B2C perspective. Tell us about that.
So for us, it's about many stages. It's about getting the design right, it's about getting the right facilities on site, and it's making sure that the engineering team are here supporting the customer to help our event organisers to make the end customer experience absolutely fantastic. So they really like that brand, they come back, they buy next year's ticket, all those great things.
Technology's changing so much now. How are you been involved in the payment side of things, reducing queue times, improving that customer experience for every single customer, keeping that speed fast?
Absolutely.
How does that work?
Yeah, so for us it's about a couple of things. It's about the infrastructure, so making sure that the connectivity on site, back of house, is top speed, and then it's about making sure the customer on the actual stand is working with Barclaycard. So really for us it's about making sure that experience is seamless, very quick, helps the queues be as little as possible and the audience get back to the show.
Tell us about security and how you're keeping everyone safe and keeping everyone connected.
Yeah, so security to us is paramount. We work with Barclays and the organiser of the event to make sure that everything has been thought of, right from the infrastructure that's coming into site and then of course encryption itself. So we make sure that every transaction and every communication on site is fully encrypted and secure all the way back to its endpoint.
And how many events are you doing this year?
Yeah, I mean what we saw with the experience economy and the kind of pop-up shops and pop-up activations is a huge demand in really being able to engage with the end user. 5 years ago we didn't see a lot of that. Now it's probably almost half of our jobs, and it's a real demand to get that payment taken or expose that brand because consumers aren't as much on the high street anymore, and therefore you need to bring that brand to them. So we're looking at about 350 events this year, ranges right through from something like this, which is really big, right through to a small event for a board or something like that.
Okay, cool. So you do big and small as well?
Absolutely, yeah. The requirement is really the same.
Yeah.
They all want something that's connected, something that's secure, and something that's really, really fast. So we set up Etherlive because there was a lot of technology inflection points happening at the same time. There was mobile devices coming out, there was a lot more focus on paying for things a lot easier, and there was a lot of movement to cloud services. We've seen a number of trends develop across the market. The two main ones really for us would be cashless payment processing, and that's really, really important for the customer because they can make that transaction very quickly. The second one really is more about CCTV, and that's really about keeping people safe, obviously, and really we've helped a number of events bring that to the fore now.
And being connected now to social channels is really important, both for us as business owners and for customers as well.
Yeah.
How does your business make sure that we get to share those goosebump and wow moments?
Yeah, well they're really important to the customer, and we know that, and that's why they love attending festivals. So for us it's about making sure that the customers here on site can connect to the network they've been given their passes for, they're able to communicate effectively across their social media channels and share that with their wider circle. The advice I would give anybody else really is that you need to find the right partners to grow with. So Etherlive uses Barclaycard business cards because we really value the ability to be able to manage our accounts online, to be able to manage our spend limits. Second thing really is that we know that Barclaycard will work anywhere, and it means we can trust it when we want that transaction to work.
Tom, on behalf of myself and the Barclaycard Presents British Summertime team,
Thank you very much.
Thanks,
Thanks, good to meet you too. Thanks.